Achieving and maintaining well-being and wellness is a holistic journey that encompasses various aspects of your life. From physical fitness to mental resilience, adopting a well-rounded approach can lead to a more fulfilling and balanced life. Welcome to the world of well-being with Dr. John's workshops, a realm where wellness is not merely a destination, but a transformative journey. To have not just a healthy body, but also a calm mind and a nourished spirit, Dr. John's transformative wellness workshops offer just that, a holistic approach to well-being. These workshops are not your run-of-the-mill wellness sessions. They delve deep into the interconnectedness of mind, body, and spirit. Through a combination of mindfulness practices, physical activities, reflective exercises, and meaningful discussions, Dr. John guides participants to nurture every facet of their well-being. But what sets Dr. John's workshops apart from others? It's his unique blend of expertise and empathy. With a rich background in psychology, wellness, fitness, and mindfulness, he brings a wealth of knowledge to the table. Yet it's his genuine compassion and understanding that truly resonate with participants. One previous participant shared, "Dr. John creates a safe and non-judgmental space where I felt comfortable to explore my own wellness journey. His compassion was palpable, and it made a world of difference." And that's not all. Dr. John understands that true, lasting change requires more than just inspiration. It demands intentional practice. That's why his workshops are designed to equip participants with practical tools and techniques they can integrate into their daily lives. A former participant attested to this, saying, "The practical guidance I received from Dr. John's workshop has been instrumental in improving my sleep quality, enhancing my emotional resilience, and fostering healthier relationships in my life." Inclusivity and accessibility are also at the heart of Dr. John's workshops. Regardless of your background or circumstances, you're welcomed into a community that fosters a sense of belonging. Dr. John is committed to making wellness education affordable and flexible, ensuring that everyone has the opportunity to prioritize their well-being. In essence, Dr. John's workshops are a transformative journey towards holistic wellness. With a comprehensive methodology, compassionate leadership, practical focus, and a commitment to inclusivity and accessibility, these workshops empower individuals to cultivate lives rooted in well-being. So, if you're yearning for a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling existence, know that the tools and support you need could be just a workshop away with Dr. John. Contact us at +91 984957 4265. Visit us at or email us at dr@psychologistclinic.com/.